More and more manufacturers of multicopters are introducing so-called selfie drones, signaling the decline of the selfie stick. In general, this new special form is identical to standard commercial drones, which have gained immense popularity in recent years. Nevertheless, due to their autonomous flight capability and object-based video function, selfie drones have a great deal of potential, and could be the next big thing in the consumer copter market. We've listed the top 3 best drone for selfies and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Number 1. DJI Mini 2SE Camera Drone. The DJI Mini 2SE is a fantastic drone that is perfect for beginners who are looking to get into aerial photography and videography. The drone is lightweight, foldable, and easy to transport, making it ideal for people who like to travel and explore new places. With a weight of under 249 grams, it is also exempt from many aviation regulations, making it easier to fly in more locations. The Mini 2SE features a 2.7K camera that can capture high-quality photos and videos, and it also has a 10 km video transmission range, which means you can fly the drone further away and still get a clear view of what it's filming. The 31-minute flight time is also impressive, especially considering the drone's size. One of the best features of the Mini 2SE is its automatic pro shoots, which include quick shots, drone, helix, rocket, circle, and boomerang. These modes make it easy to capture stunning footage, even if you're new to flying drones. Additionally, the drone has a return to home feature, which ensures it will come back to you if it loses signal or runs out of battery. Overall, the DJI Mini 2SE is an excellent drone that offers high-quality features at an affordable price point. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use drone that can capture stunning aerial footage, then the Mini 2SE is definitely worth considering. Number 2. SYMA X500 4K Drone with UHD Camera. The SYMA X500 is a drone that is perfect for taking selfies, thanks to its easy-to-use 4K camera and FPV technology. With a 120-degree wide-angle view, the UHD camera can shoot videos with super sharp quality, allowing you to capture stunning aerial footage. The drone's built-in Wi-Fi makes it easy to share your videos on YouTube and other social media sites. The camera can also take photos with a resolution of 12MP and videos with a resolution of 3840x2160 pixels at 4K 30 fps. The FPV system allows you to monitor the drone's movement on the screen of the drone itself, making it easier to control. The drone has a flight time of up to 56 minutes, which is sufficient to shoot a short video. The drone weighs only 2.23 pounds, making it easy to carry around, and it comes with extra batteries and an extra USB charger. The built-in GPS can keep track of the drone's position, and the drone has GPS-enabled flight modes. However, the drone may not be very stable in the air, and the app and radio controller may be unresponsive at times. Additionally, the drone does not have obstacle avoidance, so you will need to be careful when flying it. Overall, the SYMA X500 is a good value for money drone that is perfect for taking selfies and capturing aerial footage. While it may have some drawbacks, its easy-to-use camera and FPV technology make it an excellent choice for beginners who want to explore the world of aerial photography and videography. Number 3. SANROCK U52 Drone with 1080p HD Camera. The SANROCK U52 Drone with 1080p HD camera is a fantastic option for anyone who wants to capture stunning aerial photos and videos. This drone is especially great for beginners, as it comes fully assembled and is very easy to fly. Even kids can handle it. The 8-megapixel camera is capable of capturing high-quality images and videos at a resolution of 1280x720p. Additionally, the camera angle can be adjusted up to 180 degrees, giving you even more creative control over your shots. Controlling the drone is a breeze, thanks to the included remote controller, and you can even view a first-person perspective on the built-in display. Plus, if you have VR glasses, you can pop your phone into them and experience the thrill of flying from a whole new perspective. One downside of the U52 is that it may struggle in windy conditions, which is a common issue with smaller drones. However, this can be easily remedied by finding a sheltered location to fly. The battery life is decent, offering around 16 minutes of flight time. However, since the battery is not detachable, you'll need to be mindful of the remaining charge. On the bright side, you can use the drone as a remote controller, which eliminates the need for replacing batteries altogether. Overall, the SANROCK U52 Drone with 1080p HD camera is a solid choice for beginners who want to get started with aerial photography and videography. While it may not have all the latest features of more advanced drones, it's a reliable and user-friendly option that won't break the bank. It's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you need more information or want to find out the price of the product, see my description. If there are any problems, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.